Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to another Apps Everyday, and today we're taking a look at Postmates. Now, Postmates is one of those apps that if you are super hungry, then you've probably used this before. Basically, it's a delivery app, kind of like Uber Eats, where you order from your favorite local restaurants and then somebody picks it up and delivers it to you. Now, this app does have a couple different things that I want to touch upon, but of course, when you first open it up, you basically have a list of the closest restaurants that are currently open, and you can see what sort of category they are in. You can see the estimated delivery time, so 30 to 40 minutes, 25 to 35, and so on and so forth. You can also choose pickup if you want to just order through the app. Maybe some of these restaurants don't have their own ordering service, so you can order for pickup here, save a little bit of the cost. And you also have parties right here, which is basically join the party, get free delivery. So basically this is other people who are ordering from these restaurants that you can join in on, but you got to do it quick. As you can see, there is a time slot. Right now I only have 2.5 minutes basically to put in an order. But one of the standout features here is if I go to my profile here, you can see that I am an unlimited member. If I go to manage unlimited membership, I can see the benefits here include free delivery on all orders over $15, no minimum cart fees, no blitz pricing ever, which is basically when you order during a very popular time, sometimes they'll raise the prices, kind of like Uber. And you get exclusive membership offers, which is basically a fancy way of like, yeah, we'll send you coupons from time to time. So this means on any order above $15, which to be honest is pretty much always the case since they are marked up a little bit on here it seems, I basically get free delivery, so I don't have to worry about that. Basically just cover tip for the drivers. Now, ordering from anywhere, this is pretty much all the same stuff. It's beautifully designed. You get nice, beautiful pictures on all the different types of foods. You can go in, customize however you want, add it to cart, order it just like you normally would. You can pay through credit card, Apple Pay. Obviously, this is a cashless transaction. Delivery, you just put your address at the top, and no, that's not my actual address, so don't try to find me. But yeah, that is a quick look at the Postmates app. Let me know down below what apps you want to see next, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.